Eddie comes over to my place the other night and he's like, "You wanna go out for a rip?" And I was like, "Fucking right." Yeah. So we
tick-tock, I'm on the clock and I'm feeling like this job's just a 9 to 5 and my life away. It's like I'm back in school and I'm in the last class and I'm passing time until the bell rang. Having visions of summertime, but wait a minute now, this is later tonight. Taillegs and tailgates all up in the moonlight. And by the way, let's payday. Live it up for the weekend. Pull it up every time of your life. Take a shot for the regrets. Double up and it's bound to get broke wild. Hey ladies, let your head out. We know ain't nobody scared now. Hell now, just do your thing like a spring break. Wake and bake and we at it again. We live it up for the weekend. Backwoods looking like Panama City. Bunch of jacked up trucks and bikinis. Got a Yeti full of good ideas. Like I ain't worried about driving, I'ma stay right here. Now live it up for the weekend. Blow it up at the time of your life. Take a shot for the regrets. Double up and it's bound to get broke wild. Hey ladies, let your head out. We know ain't nobody scared now. Hell now, just do your thing like a spring break. Wake and bake and we at it again. We live it up for the weekend. Somebody said something about church on Sunday. Amen. Somebody said something about work on Monday. Don't say it again. Live it up for the weekend. Pull it up every time we align. Take a shot for the regrets. Double up and it's bound to get broke wild. Hey ladies, let your head out. We know ain't nobody scared now. Hell now, just do your thing like a spring break. Wake and bake and we at it again. We live it up for the weekend. Live it up for the weekend. Come on. Live it up for the weekend. Live it up. Live it up for the weekend. It's the weekend.
I grew up down an old dirt road in a town you wouldn't know. My pops picked the place up for $1,500 back in 1964. My grandfather was a drinker back in the day, put him down. But a war is known to change a man, and the whiskey's known to change a man. That's not me. I rarely drink from the bottle, but I'll smoke a little weed. I still live in the sticks where you wouldn't go, in a town of 1,200 off an old dirt road, and a country boy is all I'll ever be. Now it's been 12 years since I sold my soul to the devil in LA. He said, sign your name here on the dotted line, and your songs they all will play. He set up shop on Sunset, he put me up at the Marquee. He said,
You wanna sell 1,000,000 records, boy? You better listen to me.
he said,
Change your style, whiten your smile. You could lose a couple of pounds. If you wanna live this life, you better lose raise that wife? Do you need your friends around?
I said, no, that's not me. 'Cause the biggest things in life are your friends and family. And I like my jeans and my old t-shirts, and a couple extra pounds never really hurt. 'Cause a country boy is all I'll ever be. 'Cause Hank taught me just how to stay alive. You never catch me out the house without my 9 or 45. I got a big orange tractor and a diesel truck. My idea of heaven's chasing whitetail bucks. And as a country boy, I know I can survive. Now 2 flags fly above my land and really sum up how I feel. One is the colors that fly high and proud, the red, the white, the blue. The other one's got a rattlesnake with a simple statement made. Don't tread on me is what it says, and I'll take that to my grave. Because this is me. I'm proud to be American and strong in my belief. And I've said it before, but I'll say it again, 'cause I've never needed government to hold my hand. And I've said it before, but I'll say it again, 'cause my family's always fought and died to save this land. And a country boy is all I'll ever be.
Wiped the footprints off my dash, tore up those sun-faded photographs, threw them in the wind, y'all can have her back. I'm out of here. I stuck my middle finger up in the sky, flipped off that y'all come back sign, looked in the mirror one last time, and watched it disappear. It ain't nothing but a review town, broken hearts and rusted plows, roots ripped right up out of the ground. Never thought I'd ever leave it, but it ain't nothing what it used to be. Population minus me on the other side of that dust cloud. Ain't nothing but a review town. I could tough it out, but what's the use? A place that small, it's hard to do. Too much of her to run into, and so much road